इस धूप में और ऐसे सख्त मौसम में भी आप लोग तशरीफ लाए यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं, लेकिन जिस चीज़ के लिए आप बैठे हुए हैं वो एक ऐसी चीज़ है दुनिया में कहीं नहीं हो रही है। आपने कीपिंग अप विद द ट्रेडिशन ऑफ सिंध एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज लिया, दैट इज हर शख्स को जिंदा रहने का हक है और दैट टू हैज़ टू बी फ्री विद डिग्निटी, and that was started, and now nearly 50 years have completed, and the philosophy is being practiced, and this is going on. Anybody, irrespective of caste, color, creed, religious belief, money or no money, money is never asked, can enter an SIUT and can demand the treatment, and he will be given. And this is something which not has been practiced for few days, few weeks, but it is being practiced for the last now 50 years. And nowhere in the world there is example. It was sometime initially in Britain when they were having the health services. Now even there they have to make charge. Here there is no question. We are a poor country. Everywhere we are sometimes even maligned that don't take Pakistanis in your business, they may betray you. But there is one thing, nowhere in the world, no community can claim that they care and their people. They care, they are sick. We are the only country in the world who are providing free health care to our people. Great Britain, and it is because of the generosity of the people of the country and at the same time the good understanding of those who have been administering the country, the leaders. And we have come this far. To ask anybody that in Pakistan medical treatment is free and you can get your drug and everything. One transplant will cost about $50,000 minimum outside. Then maintenance treatment will be at least $10,000 worth immunosuppression every month. Here we beg the people if they have not come to collect their medicine. So I think we are proud of Pakistan, we are proud of the people of Pakistan, we are even proud of our poverty, that in spite of poverty, we have not forgotten what is humanity. And with these words, I will just say one thing more, that whatever we have achieved has been through and through the generosity of the people of this country who have been donating and the understanding of the government and government servants of this country. And with these things, I will say that People's Party government has always been a great help to us. Frankly speaking, all the governments have been supporting us, but People's Party feel that our government, they should understand our problem. With these words, I will request our Honorable Chief Guest who is here to come and give a few words. He should be proud that there is poverty cannot be something which blocks the good deeds if you want to do. You can perform good deed even if you are poor, provided you have got a will. And with these words, I will pay my respect to you all.